Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to walk through an interesting topic, and the topic is FreshDesk tutorial for beginners in 2025. So if you want to learn how to manage customer support using FreshDesk, you are in the right place. We will cover everything from signing up to resolving tickets, automations, and more. So without any further ado, let's dive into it. So first of all, you just need to sign up and dashboard tool. So you just need to visit on FreshDesk, and then you just need to click over here, try it for free. Once you did, then they will actually ask you for first name, last name, work email, company name, and phone number. Here you can see sign up for 40 days trial, 75% reduction in ticket time, 3 months payback period, 54 hours per agent per year saved with automation. So I will go with this continue with Google option because this is the easiest way. So I'll click over here, then select my Gmail address and then click continue. As it did, then it will take a couple of minutes and the account creation is done. So I just need to provide my company name, that will be how to digital, and then here you just need to provide your phone number. Let's say this is my phone number, and here I will click over here, try it for free, the bicycle here, and then click next, motorcycle, next again bicycle. So it sometimes may be difficult for you to get past on that one, so it sometimes makes difficulties. Genius. Okay, it's already been done. Now it will redirect us to the next page, so we just need to keep patience here. Actually, you can see it. So sign up using your work email or create your FreshDesk account. Once inside, you will land on the agent dashboard. Let's talk about key sections to note in here. That is, you will get left sidebar where you will find out navigation like ticket, contract, and report, etc. So here you just need to complete this one. Let's personalize your FreshDesk journey. So here I will select this one. What is your experience with customer service software? I have used customer service software in the past. I am trying customer service for the first time, and then click and you just need to choose your industry. So this is actually here, let's find it out, media and entertainment, and then click next and personalize your FreshDesk account. So here you can see it already been now done, and now the thing I'm talking about, that is left sidebar. Here you will find out navigation, ticket, contracts, reports, and many more things. Into the top menu bar you will find out search, notification, and profile options, and the main screen where your ticket QQ will be available. So connect your support email. You can connect this. The second one is explore your ticketing inbox. You just need to click over here. You can invite your team through these options. So now let's talk about or to try to understanding the ticket system. Tickets represent customer support requests. So tickets can be created by email, chat, contact form, phone calls, or you can click on tickets from the left menu. Here you can see this is the ticket options. Once you click over here, you will see introducing tickets, and here you are able to see that one we already get tickets. So this is the ticket list view. You can view a ticket, manage it, properties, respond, and resolve it. You just need to click over here, view ticket, and you are allowed to saw it properly. So you just need to click over here, and then you can know this is the customer one. So enable your agent to associate the right properties for tickets like priority, status, type, and many more. Know your customer through these options, and then know your customer, like get complete context about your customer, their contact and company information, previous ticket, etc. like respond your customer. Then here you can see this is the whole interface, and this is the options where you can respond your customer, like reply to the ticket from here. The response will reach your mailbox, and consecutive replies will land on this ticket as a thread. So I hope you understand how easy the process was. You can use filter to sort by priority, agent, or status. Now let's talk about creating and responding to ticket. you just need to be click on ticket to open the detailed view. Like here, you just need to go over here, and if you want to see this whole overview, you just need to be click this one, and you will actually see whole things like the television I ordered from your site was delivered with a cracked skin. I need some help with a refund or a replacement. Here is the order number. Thanks, sir. So now if you want to replay this one, you are allowed to replay it in that place. So you will see customer info on the right, then conversation thread in the center, private notes option for internal theme use. You can do it. Then you can set private notes option for internal theme I already mentioned. Then you can respond by typing your reply and clicking send. You can also change the status. For example, right now the status is open. You can make it pending, resolve, close, waiting on customer. Then you can assign it to another agent, or you can add tags for better categorizations also. Now let's talk about how you can add new contacts and companies. So that for reason you just need to visit in contact. Once you come over here, then you are allowed to add contacts. Like here you can see the process is easy to add a contact. You just need to click over here to the new, and then you can add contact in that place. You can enter customer email, name, phone number, and link them to company. It is an optional. You can also import contacts by CSV file. All communication history with the contact will be saved for reference. Now let's talk about automations in FreshDesk. So that for reason you just need to visit onto the admin, and then you will actually find out these options called automations. So here you will able to see in here, scroll down, and then you can actually see the automation panel in here. If not, then don't worry, you will have the option. You just need to enable that. So automations help in automatically assign ticket to agent, sending out welcome or update email, changing priorities based on keywords. And for example, if subject contains urgent, set priority to high. This help your team respond faster and more efficiently. Now let's talk about candidate response and knowledge based. So candidate response is equal to pre-written replies. Like you can access by clicking the lighting icon in the ticket reply box. It is great for FAQs like refund policies, delivery times, etc. And solutions knowledge base, for example, you just need to go to the solution and new article, then write guides and have content for customers, have reduced the number of support tickets. Now let's give you an report and analytics talk. So here you just need to go over here, and you will find out key metrics like number of ticket received, then average response time, agent performance, and many things. You can use this data to improve customer satisfaction and team efficiency. You can schedule, automate reports, or export as PDF options. So these are the things you are allowed to do with reports. So now here you can see the process of setup is really easy. You can get the tour also. I hope this video was really helpful for you. Now you know about FreshDesk in 2025. From creating tickets to setting up automations, now you can handle customer support like a pro. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.